The domestic C Division Football League organized by the Tripura Football Association is all set to kick off on June 10. With the tournament around the corner, participating clubs have intensified their practice sessions. On Thursday, Simna Tokmakari Football Club was seen sweating it out during a rigorous training session at the Umakanta Mini Stadium in Agartala.
Speaking to the media, Simna Takmakari FC team manager Devasis Tabama shared that this marks the club's third consecutive year competing in the C Division. Aiming for the championship title this season, the club has been running an intensive one-month training camp with a squad of 20 players. Simna Takmakari FC will play their opening match of the league against UBST on June 13.
Taklai omo chini third year Simna FC C Division thungi tangmani omo Tripura rokni club ni bisingti kaisa club omo Simna FC omo 3 bosor angka thungi tangmani to o bosoro bo chong tesa C Division haino hai thungna thangi tongka Simna FC o taklai player rok mane jotono kotal player rok upcoming player rok kotal kaham player rok tongo mostly orok taklai beshirbag fresh player to taklai chini khela start angnai 10 tarik ni simi tournament start angnai chini poila match 13 tarik ko khlaika ar norok je nai tongnai o channel no nong jotono koyo hisab bhai chini Simna FC no support khaidi ar nong ni hamari jotoni hamari bai chong taklai champion angna bagai wansugui tong
Reporter Narayan from Agatla, Chini Khorang.